In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to follow announcements on Discord. Start by opening Discord using the desktop app, the mobile app, or your web browser. Make sure you're signed in to the account you use regularly, so your follow settings remain consistent across the devices you use. Once Discord opens, give it a few moments to fully load your servers in the left sidebar before moving on. Next, select the server whose announcements you want to keep up with. Click on the server icon to enter it. If you're a member of many different communities, you can hover over the server icons to see their names. It also helps to keep your most frequently used servers easy to access, so you can find them more quickly whenever you need them. After entering the server, look for its announcements channel. These are special news-style channels that usually display a megaphone icon. Depending on the community, the channel may be named Announcements, News, or Updates. If you don't see it immediately, browse through the channel categories or use the server's search feature to locate it. Keep in mind that you must have permission to view the Announcements channel. If it's hidden from you, a server moderator may need to give you the appropriate role before you can access it. Once you've opened the Announcements channel, locate the Follow button near the top of the channel header. On the desktop version, you'll typically find it along the upper toolbar. On the mobile app, it may be located inside the menu in the top right corner. Select Follow to continue. Discord will then ask where you'd like the announcements to be delivered. Choose a server that you manage, then select the destination text channel where you'd like future announcements to appear automatically. This creates a live feed, so every new announcement published in the original server will be reposted into your selected channel without requiring you to copy and paste anything manually. Before you finish, there are a few helpful things to remember. You'll need the appropriate permissions in the destination server, which usually includes permission to manage webhooks. If you can't choose a destination channel, ask a server administrator for assistance. Also remember that following an announcements channel is different from enabling notifications. Following republishes announcements into another channel, while notifications simply alert you when new content is available. If you also want device alerts, select the notification bell in the announcements channel and adjust your notification preferences. If you don't see the Follow button, double-check that you're viewing an announcements channel rather than a standard text channel. Once you've confirmed the follow, everything is set. Future announcements will automatically appear in your selected channel, helping keep your community or team informed without any manual effort. Thanks for watching, and enjoy staying up to date on Discord. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,